Do you have the hiccups? Huh? Yeah. Do you have the hiccups? Do we need to scare you? Do we need to scare you? Tell him, go away. Tell those hiccups, go away. Yeah. Tell him, find another home. Yeah.